I think I'm recording. So here we are trying to figure out how to use this camera. And I am going up from the office, headed upstairs, and past my hallway. And there's Hank. We're breaking for lunch at the moment. And say hello.
Hey guys, how's it going?
I was just saying that we're recording what it's taken to figure out how to get this going. And I was reading the manual and it took me like 10 pages into it to find out how do I record.
Yep.
So I think I'm doing it. The little red light's on. And now I'm going to go over here and show the goldfinches at our feeder. The only problem is I have no idea if I'm getting the birds or not. But that's why this is an action cam. And there's our great country flag flapping in the wings. Now I have to figure out how to stop recording. I've done over a minute. And that's it. Here goes.